Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bitcoin virtual machine token. Ticker symbol is BVM. Now this is a play off of the Ethereum virtual machine, which is obviously well known in the crypto world. And now we have the Bitcoin virtual machine token getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on the BVM token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here at BVM Network on Twitter. And they have their webpage linked on there, bvm.network, so that's easy to find there. 38,200 Twitter followers. It says Bitcoin virtual machine is the first modular blockchain meta protocol that lets you launch your own Bitcoin L2 blockchain project in just a few clicks. They have over 1,000 tweets, gold verified checkmark, and their Twitter's been here since January 2023. So they have an announcement here from 4 hours ago on their Twitter, and it says here, BVM is coming to Gate in 2 days. So Gate is not available in everybody's area, so we're going to go over a couple different ways to get this token. But the first one here is it's available on gate.io starting March 15th at 9 a.m. UTC time. So you can get this token by downloading Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or going to gate.io on your PC and opening an account. Then you would fund your account with USDT. And then on March 15th, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol BVM. And then you would simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So before that too, they have a startup subscription event that you can get involved with if you want to check that out now on their Twitter. They just posted information about that recently as well. And they also have a Telegram you can follow at BVM Official Community, 2,234 members, 502 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. If you want to learn more about BVM, that would be the place to be. So on their webpage, if Gate is not available in your area, they have a button right at the very top of the screen at bvm.network. It says Buy BVM, and you just click on that. It'll take you over to a page. It says BVM is the native cryptocurrency of the BVM ecosystem that binds all Bitcoin L2 blockchains together. So it says buy. The fastest and cheapest way to buy BVM is on Naka, N-A-K-A, a Bitcoin L2 designed for DeFi on Bitcoin. And you can also buy BVM on other exchanges. So it is available on Naka. I've never used that, but they'll take you through how to do that on their page here, on their webpage. But you can get this token off of Unisat, which is like for BRC20 tokens on the Bitcoin network. And then you can get it off Uniswap. So it looks like it's cross-chain. BRC, Ethereum, they have tons of tokens these days that are cross-chain because Bitcoin is not as easy to use. And I think the gas fees are higher than most other decentralized exchanges as well. So that's why they do cross-chain with a lot of these BRC20 tokens. Like they'll have it on Arbitrum and BRC, or they'll have it on Ethereum or BRC, or BNB and BRC, etc. So this one you can get off Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your ETH for the BVM token using the contract address that you can find on bvm.network. You just click on buy, it'll show a Uniswap button, you click on that. It's also available on Bitmart and Poloniex. So you just follow the same steps that I said for Gate. If you want to get it off Bitmart or Poloniex, it is available on there now. And Gate will be coming soon, March 15th. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, if you don't want to use central exchanges or those are not available in your area, you can use the Uniswap for the Ethereum version or Unisat for BRC. And then you can stake tokens on their page. It says earn up to 58% annual percentage yield on your BVM and receive airdrops from upcoming Bitcoin L2 projects. So that's cool. It says BVM's utilities. BVM is the governance and utility token used within the BVM ecosystem to empower builders and users to build the future of Bitcoin. The lifeblood of Bitcoin L2s. BVM fuels Bitcoin L2s, facilitating the payment of block production fees for all Bitcoin L2s. It says uses for BVM grow every day as BVM enables programmability and scalability on Bitcoin. Developers can utilize the BVM network to create various applications, DeFi, GameFi, AI, and more. You can co-own and co-run the network. So BVM is the BVM's ecosystem governance token, allowing BVM holders to participate in key governance votes and shape the future of the BVM ecosystem. Now the tokenomics here, fixed supply, 100 million tokens. They have a 5-year vesting schedule for the team advisors and community tokens. Now 20% of the tokens go to the team, 5% advisors, 15% public sale, 10% liquidity, and 50% goes to the community. So Bitcoin L2 as a service is what they offer. Powerful infrastructure and tools to build and scale your own Bitcoin L2 with ease. So on their webpage, you can click deploy a Bitcoin L2 or deploy a Bitcoin DApp. You can do that. They have tons of partners on here. Say hello to the first modular Bitcoin L2 blockchains powered by the BVM token. So they show a bunch of things you can build on here, different projects, all sorts of cool things on their page here. Customize and launch your modular Bitcoin L2 blockchain with the best of breed modules with just a few clicks. Choose a roll-up module, select a data availability module, and then launch to the world. It's that easy. You can even install dApp modules like Uniswap, Compound, and NFT Marketplace. It's a whole new way to build a Bitcoin L2. So yeah, lots of cool information on their webpage. You can review all their products, how to use them all sorts of documents, links, all news articles, contract address if you're looking for it is right at the very bottom of their webpage. So experience Bitcoin like never before is their tagline. Go check it out, Bitcoin Virtual Machine. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about BVM? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. Hit that join button if you want to help support the channel. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.